Let me introduce my family. This is me. She is my sister. He is my brother. She is my mother. We always call her Mummy. He is my father. We always call him Daddy. They are my parents. He is my grandfather. We always call him Grandpa. She is my grandmother. We always call her Grandma. They are my grandparents. She is my aunt. She is my aunt too. He is my uncle. She is my cousin. This is my family. Lastly, when we meet new people, my parents introduce us as their sons. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. And daughter.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is she your mother? Yes, she is my mother. Is he your father? Yes, he is my father. Is he your cousin? No, he isn't my cousin. He is my brother. Is she your brother? No, she isn't my brother. She is my sister. Are they your uncles? Yes, they are my uncles. Is he your grandfather? Yes, he's my grandfather. Are they your sisters? No, they aren't my sisters. They are my aunts. Is she your grandmother? No, she isn't my grandmother. She is my cousin. Are they your grandparents? Yes, they are my grandparents. Is this you? Yes, this is me.